Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. After last week's heat wave over the Western Cape, it's going to be much cooler in the province today as a cold front will be moving through, and that's going to bring a chance of rainfall to many parts of the coastline as well. Thunder showers will be developing over the western interior of the country. We could see some of those thunder showers spreading towards the south coast later on, while towards the east we're expecting a fair amount of cloud in Gauteng, in Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal, although it's going to remain dry across those provinces. Now this is reflected on our rainfall forecast, and we're expecting it to also be dry for most of the Free State. A chance of rainfall for the Cape Peninsula as well as towards Langebaan, but that will be rapidly clearing during the course of this afternoon. Thunder showers will be isolated for Uppington and De Aard, while to the south of this, scattered showers and thunder showers will spread in across parts of the Karoo, reaching Port Elizabeth later on, and we'll see the thunder showers spreading well into the Eastern Cape by this evening. Taking a look at temperatures now, and it's going to be a very hot day over the Eastern Cape. Berg winds in the region pushing temperatures into the mid-30s for some places. Much cooler in Cape Town at 23 degrees, and a similar temperature for Sutherland as well as for Bethlehem. Remaining quite mild on the Highveld, including for most of Gauteng, while in KwaZulu-Natal temperatures will peak above 30 degrees for many places. Now for your detailed coastal forecast, and southerly winds are going to become fresh at times along the west coast of the country, particularly for Langebaan, where you can also expect swells to increase to over 2 meters by this evening. The Cape Peninsula can also expect very gusty conditions to develop in the late afternoon and evening in particular, while a southwesterly wind will still be affecting Cape Agulhas by later on. For the south coast of the country, we're also expecting fresh to strong winds. Don't be fooled by the light winds at first in Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. Once that southwesterly wind picks up, it's going to get strong, particularly in the late afternoon hours. And finally, along the east coast of the country, a moderate northeaster has been forecast from Richards Bay all the way through to the Wild Coast. Light winds for most of the day in East London, but that strong southwesterly wind will be pushing through by this evening.
No more. eNCA.com